If you're looking for like a broccoli head or a crown, don't worry about it. It'll come eventually, hopefully. But if not, don't fret because these are just as good. First thing I do is bring them in from the garden and give them a good bath. This is 2 pounds of hamburger. I'm gonna add some stuff to that in just a minute. All I'm doing is taking the center vein out, and it makes it easier to roll these things without that in there. I used to make a recipe like this using cabbage. I don't like cabbage as much as this. This is really tasty. It tastes like broccoli. Okay, so all I'm doing is putting up like 1.5 cups of cooked rice, 5 cloves of garlic, and I'm just chopping it up really fine. So this going in, and Rotel tomatoes. I'm just putting salt in here. Now I'm adding pepper, and I like a lot of peppers. Just gonna mix it up. Okay, so that's all mixed together. This is fresh oregano. Put some of that in. I just put whatever's fresh in my garden. Let's do fresh basil. All this leftovers will go in my compost. Nothing gets wasted. So all I'm doing is making kind of a log shape. I'm putting it at the top of the split. Okay, and I'm just folding it over, bringing in the sides, and keep folding. So you have a nice little log shape, like that.
Trying to get more mileage again.
All right. Cover it with aluminum foil, and we're going to go in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes or until the meat inside is cooked. I don't put any liquid or anything in there with it. I'm going to leave it covered the whole time that I'm cooking it in the oven. If you are not a beef eater and you eat chicken, you can also use ground chicken to do this recipe.